Found a ZBS file in a digital sculpting tutorial pack and wondering how to use it? These scripts automate complex workflows in ZBrush Sculpting software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to load and run these ZBrush Script files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange ZBS formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A ZBrush Script file used to automate tasks and record workflows within the ZBrush digital sculpting software. Artists and designers use ZBS files to replay complex sequences of actions, create custom tools, or share automated processes with others, significantly speeding up their creative pipeline. The ZBS file is a plain text script written in ZScript, a proprietary scripting language with a syntax similar to C++. It contains a sequence of commands and functions that directly manipulate the ZBrush interface and tools. This text-based design allows for easy editing, sharing, and version control among users. Commonly, ZBS files use ZBrush developed by Maxon, formerly Pixelogic. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows can open script files in text editors, but execution depends on the appropriate scripting engine. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the ZBS file and click Open with. Test ZBrush first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your ZBS file still refuses to open, stay calm. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the ZBS file begins. First, loading in ZBrush. Open ZBrush and navigate to the ZScript palette. Click Load and browse to select your ZBS file. The script loads into ZBrush and may execute immediately or add custom interface elements. Some scripts display dialog windows or modify the ZBrush interface with new buttons and tools. Next, viewing script source. Open the ZBS file in any text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view the ZScript source code. The plain text format allows examination of script commands' logic and parameters. This is useful for learning ZScript syntax or modifying existing scripts to customize their behavior. Finally, running and debugging. Execute loaded ZScripts via the ZScript palette using the Run button or assigned hotkeys. ZBrush displays script output in the title bar and message areas. Check the ZBrush documentation and ZScript reference guide for command syntax when troubleshooting scripts that fail to execute or produce unexpected results. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.